Do you believe that you cannot crack any MBA entrance without coaching? Or do you get panic attacks thinking you just have 90 days left to prepare and तुमसे ना हो पाएगा? Then let me prove you and all those who say all these things to you wrong in this video. Hi guys, I'm Shivani Saxena and welcome to my channel S for Shivani, the one-stop destination for all your MBA needs. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my MBA journey, whatever I did to get into SIBM Pune and convert colleges like IIM Shillong, SMHRD, Narsi Munji, IMT Ghaziabad, and how I prepared for the MBA entrances without any proper coaching and by working for the majority of the time people prepare. This video is all about that, and I'm going to share with you my 15 strategies which I followed while preparing for all these entrances. If you come into my channel for the first time, then like this video and subscribe to my channel right away. So let me begin by telling you about my story and my motivation to prepare in 90 days.
Before that, if you want me to make more of such videos, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to never miss an update from me.
So I'll tell you how my thought process was. So I was working till August. I quit my job in August because I had to go through a medical surgery for some health reason. And then after the surgery, I remember 5th September was a precise date I started studying. So I think you are also in a similar situation now if you're starting to study now. I actually joined the coaching when I was in second year at SRCC. But like after attending a few classes, I found out that firstly, I was not getting some one-on-one help or guidance which I required. And I felt that, the engineers in the batch were quite dominating all the quant and DI discussions, and I felt like a loser sitting there. And also secondly, because of things like college activities and council work, I contested for DU elections, and then I did not find time to continue with my coaching. So in September, I started studying on my own. I realized that my competition was not the 2 lakh, 3 lakh people who fill the form. My competition is the, let's say, 40,000, 50,000 serious candidates who are actually writing the exam with all their passion and motivation. And my aim was to focus on being the best among these. So this was my drive towards starting the preparation on my own. So I'm starting with the 15 strategies I followed while preparing for myself. So I'll start with the first strategy, which is which study material should you buy or subscribe to. So I'll just talk about what I did, and this was way back in 2017. अभी अगर कुछ नई कोचिंग्स आ गई हैं या कुछ मटेरियल में अपडेशन हुआ है, so I have no idea about that. So from what I did, I had my time, like the coaching I joined in graduation, उसका टाइम का मेरे पास स्टडी मटेरियल था, एंड आई न्यू कि टाइम के जो मॉक्स थे वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी डिमोटिवेटिंग हो गए थे बिकॉज द डिफिकल्टी लेवल यूज्ड टू बी वेरी हाई. So what I did was I bought Career Launcher के mock test series for all the for CAT and OMETs and everything, and I used to practice them. Second thing, अब तुम्हारे पास स्टडी मटेरियल आ चुका है. नाउ यू हैव टू सी कि तुम कैसे सिस्टमैटिकली पढ़ते हो. एंड बाय सिस्टमैटिकली पढ़ते हो आई मीन whenever you need to refer any question in future or near exam time, you should be able to find that in your notes. So for each of the exams or for each of the separate sections, let's say, you can make notebooks. So I think I made 3 notebooks for each of quant, LRDI 1, and then verbal and RC another. And I also used highlighters, colored markers, colored pens. I made sure I write in very neat handwriting ताकि मैं उसको refer कर सकूँ. And also you can use sticky notes to actually label कौन सा chapter कहाँ पे है, किसकी क्या exercise है. So like 2A, 2B, 2C से तुम label कर दो. Strategy number 3. So I know it's going to be very hard for you, but this is something that you have to do. CAT का, SNAP का, NMAT का जो भी एग्जाम तुम टारगेट कर रहे हो उसका लास्ट ईयर का जो पेपर था उसको दो. It might take you hours to do it. It might take you a lot of emotional ups and downs while solving it, but you have to take the pains ताकि तुम्हें पता चले कि इस टेस्ट के बाद तुम कितने पानी में हो. So I remember when I took CAT का last year का mock, so I scored very bad. I scored around 40 percentile there, and I felt that मेरे से सही में नहीं हो पाएगा, and I did wrong by quitting my job. But then I gained the motivation that okay, 40 percentile is not bad. I still have 3 months in my hand and I can change the world around me. Now, coming to strategy number 4. List all the topics that are going to come in each of these exams and ensure that you go through each topic 3 times. So, ज़्यादा time नहीं है हमारे पास, लेकिन I'm going to show you how I did this. So, I made a list of, let's say I'm right now showing only quant for CAT. And then I fixed dates before which I had to complete studying these topics from scratch. So this was my strategy. Strategy number 5. What should be the aim? So when you are starting out, your aim should be covering all the topics from scratch. कोई भी टॉपिक तुमने अगर पहले नहीं पढ़ा है, उसको टाइम दो, उसको अच्छे से समझो, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस ऑन दोज. देन व्हेन वी कम टू अक्टूबर, नाउ वी स्टार्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई कि कौन से क्वेश्चन हमारे स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, कौन से क्वेश्चन हमारे वीकनेसेस हैं. एंड देन इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर, आफ्टर यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, you should focus only on your strengths, and whenever any question comes from your weak chapters, you have to skip those or leave them to attempt towards the end of the time. So this used to be my aim for each of these months. Coming to strategy number 6. What should be the accuracy strategy you should set for yourself? So I remember for September, I targeted 70 to 75% accuracy. Then coming to October, I targeted 80 to 85% accuracy. And then in the month of November, I had to push myself very hard to get to 95% accuracy. And how are you going to do this? Only answer is practicing. So if you feel that you need to buy any books, I suggest that, like, everybody used to buy Arun Sharma's set of 3 books at that time. There are a lot of practice questions there. Now coming to time allocation. How should you be allocating time in each of these months? So in the beginning, I'll say, don't bother about time. Use this month to develop your concepts. It might take you initially like 7-8 hours to complete one chapter. Take the time, but make sure that after you do that chapter, if any question comes from it, you are able to answer it with 100% accuracy. So this used to be my target. I was a fast grasper, but I had a poor recall. So what I would do is I would write all the formulae of quant और जो भी LRDI में concepts होते हैं on one sheet of paper, एक बार में एक के नीचे एक in point form, and I would paste that sheet of paper in front of me wherever I am sitting to study. तो just सोने से पहले I would have a look at it and I'll build a recall of all the things that I have learned in a particular chapter. So you can also do this. Coming to October, as I said, तुम्हारा second division का time start हो जाएगा. So whatever subjects you found as your strengths, finish those quickly and then थोड़ा सा और time दो अपने weakness subjects पे. And then in the month of November, I'll say अब जो भी होना था हो चुका है. So focus only on your strength questions. Try to do them fast. And अगर पेपर में टाइम बचे तो ही वीकनेस वाले क्वेश्चंस को टच करना है, अदरवाइज उनको टच नहीं करना है. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी इज सेटिंग गोल्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटाइल. सो फॉर व्हाट आई वुड डू इज, सितंबर में स्टार्ट किया था, बिना प्रिपरेशन के 40 परसेंटाइल आया था. बट जब मैं कुछ पढ़ने लगी, कुछ चैप्टर समझ में आने लगे, कुछ चैप्टर्स लाइक LCM HCF से तुमने पहले पढ़े हुए हैं, स्टैट्स हो गया या फिर फंक्शंस या लोगैरिथम. तो आई हैड स्टडीड ऑल दिस टिल माय क्लास 12. आई हैड टेकन मैथ्स. So I was able to cover all these chapters really quickly, and then because of that, I was able to secure somewhere between 75 to 80 percentile when I started taking mocks. When it comes to October, target 90 percentile, and in November, target more than 95 percentile. I am not saying कि तुमसे ये होगा या नहीं होगा अभी, लेकिन This should be your target. When you target the stars, you land somewhere on the moon. So this used to be my strategy which I followed and it worked. Ninth strategy is on the frequency of mocks. So पहले तो तुम्हें start with the last year CAT paper and see where you stand. Then here the frequency of mocks is not very high. So what I used to do, I would take one mock in 1 week and I would constantly take sectional or chapter wise tests. So CL के material में, if I remember it right, chapter wise tests भी होते थे. So as I complete one chapter, I would take a mock of that. So इस तरह से I was able to see how much I have learned and how much has actually entered my mind. Then when it comes to October, I would take mocks twice in a week, and then I would always take a sectional test every day, or if not every day, then every second day. And when it came to November, I used to take mocks thrice a week. And so जैसे मैंने एक दिन mock लिया, second day I would sit and analyze that mock for 3-4 hours. एंड इस टाइम पे तुम जो पास्ट ईयर से तुम्हारे पेपर्स हैं कैट वगैरह के, वो सब लगाने तुम स्टार्ट कर दो. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू समवन हु इज अप्लाइंग फॉर मल्टीपल एंट्रेंसेस, देन द फोकस ऑफ योर प्रेपरेशन शुड बी कैट in the month of September, CAT and NMAT in the month of October and November, and all the other exams like SNAP, IRMASAT, SAT in the month of December. So once you get free from CAT, तो तुम बाकी एग्जाम्स को स्टडी करो. लेकिन बाकी एग्जाम्स में जीके वगैरह भी आती है. सो तुम क्या जीके जस्ट दिसंबर में कर सकते हो कवर? तुम नहीं कर सकते हो. So now I am going to discuss the odd even strategy that I followed while preparing for all these entrances. So my day would begin by reading newspaper. There is no alternative to reading newspaper. I think I got Economic Times and I would subscribe to the Hindu as well. And ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. हैव अ लुक एट ऑल दी मेजर हैपनिंग्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, अपॉइंटमेंट्स, रीअपॉइंटमेंट्स, कोई नया नेशनल पार्क आ रहा है, कुछ नया डैम बन गया, सम वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड एंड ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड रीड द एडिटोरियल पेज. तो साइमल्टेनियसली तुम्हारा जो जीडी एंड बाकी प्रोसेस है उनका प्रेपरेशन भी होता रहेगा. देन आई वुड टेक अ जीके क्विज फॉर 30 minutes. I would give 30 minutes to static GK. Now बाकी के सब्जेक्ट्स मैंने डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल से ऑर्गेनाइज किए हुए थे. सो इन वन डे आई कवर बोथ ईजी, डिफिकल्ट एंड मॉडरेट सब्जेक्ट्स. सो ईजी फॉर मी वुड बी इंग्लिश पार्ट. सो दिस इज माई स्ट्रेंथ. तुम्हारे लिए मे बी वो LRDI हो, या अगर तुम इंजीनियर हो तुम्हारे लिए मे बी क्वांट हो सकता है. सो दिस वॉज माई वे ऑफ टारगेटिंग द स्टडी प्लान. सो क्वांट को आई गिव 5 hours. Then 1 hour on chapter practice test, 1 hour on RC passage and 2 hours for LR. For my event day, again same routine रहेगा. morning का read newspaper, GK quiz, static GK, quant for 5 hours, quant chapter test 1 hour. Then I'll give time to DI for 2 hours and verbal ability test for 1 hour. And this is the minimum number of hours that you should give each day. And you can tweak this timetable to suit your needs, but this is basis my strengths and weaknesses. Now another strategy which I would follow before I start giving a mock test is set a minimum target. कि अगर 32, 34 questions हैं, so मुझे किस section में कितना minimum attempt करना ही करना है. Initially give a big target to yourself ताकि तुम more questions attempt करो, and then towards the end you know तुम्हारी लिमिट कितनी है, तुम कितने क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअली 90% एक्यूरेसी से कर सकते हो. सो ऑलवेज सेट टारगेट्स फॉर ईच ऑफ द सेक्शंस एंड स्ट्राइव हार्ड टू अटेम्प्ट दोस. 12th स्ट्रैटेजी विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रैटेजी, एंड आई से जो लोग कोचिंग नहीं जाते हैं उनका मेजर लर्निंग इस स्ट्रैटेजी से होता है. एनालाइजिंग मॉक्स. तो लेट्स से मैंने आज मॉक दिया, अगर मेरे पास आज टाइम नहीं मिला तो मैं कल एटलीस्ट 3 hours बैठ के उस मॉक को एनालाइज करती हूँ. एंड जो भी क्वेश्चंस मुझसे नहीं हुए थे उस टाइम पे आई रीडू देम, and then I bookmark these questions. So there is an option to bookmark itself in your online screen. Do that, bookmark those questions and re-refer them those questions again and again. So let's say if you find time on weekend, see all the bookmarked questions. Coming to the next strategy, a lot of people have asked me that RC and verbal के लिए prepare कैसे करें. So what I used to do was, since I used to read newspaper daily, न्यूज़पेपर्स में पढ़ते हुए आपको बहुत से टफ वर्ड्स मिलते होंगे. मेंटेन अ डायरी फॉर दैट कीप राइटिंग दोज टफ वर्ड्स. एंड जब तुम टफ वर्ड्स लिख रहे हो तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम राइटिंग द मीनिंग, also find out their antonym and synonym. So since you have just studied that sentence in the newspaper, तुम्हें एक तो उसका यूसेज भी समझ में आ गया एंड तुम्हें उसके साथ साथ उसके एंटोनिम और सिनोनिम भी याद हो जाएंगे. तो इस तरह से एक डायरी मेंटेन करते रहो. ऑल्सो आई से दैट इफ योर RC इज वीक, देन रीड एटलीस्ट 4 passages daily. Focus on the number of words you are reading per minute. Keep a note of that. And then also keep a track of the number of questions you are able to attempt by reading the passage once. बहुत से passages ऐसे होते हैं जो एक बार में पढ़ने में समझ में नहीं आते हैं. So I think if I remember it right, मुझे जो history वाले passages होते थे उनसे बहुत problem होती थी because उसमें they use a lot of names. इस AD में इतना हुआ, इसमें ये हुआ and this was a king, this was the queen and princess and so on. So मुझे उस टाइप passages में काफ़ी दिक्कत होती थी. तो what I used to do, I used to keep these passages for the end. And जो भी philosophical या psychology पे based या biology पे based या किसी science या management पे based जो passages होते थे, I used to really like them. So I would attempt all these passages first. So it is only after practicing for a long time that you start recognizing कि तुम्हारी strength and weakness क्या है in terms of topic of the passage. So keep reading at least 4 passages daily and I'm sure you're going to do well. Now coming to my second last strategy, identifying the real battle. So the real battle is not how much you are scoring, it's not what is your accuracy level. It's about controlling that mental breakdown for a few seconds after you are not able to attempt a question. And I think this was the precise reason, the precise mistake I made when I attempted CAT. I found out that जो भी LR और DI के क्वेश्चंस थे मुझसे वो फर्स्ट वो में नहीं हो रहे थे. एंड आई थिंक आई स्पेंट लाइक 5 minutes ऑफ माई टाइम इन पैनिकिंग एंड थिंकिंग कि आई एम डन विद एंड मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो आई थिंक मोर देन हाउ मच यू आर स्कोरिंग, इट्स अ बैटल ऑफ द माइंड. इफ यू आर एबल टू कीप काम, इफ यू आर एबल टू कीप द लिमिटिंग कि तुमसे नहीं हुआ या टफ क्वेश्चन है फॉर आफ्टर द टेस्ट, then I am sure you will be able to do well. एक मोमेंट ऐसा आता है पेपर में कि तुम्हें लगता है कि you just have a look around in the room and you see everybody is busy doing questions and तुम बस ऐसे blank बैठे हो. बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. सबकी वो अलग अलग मोमेंट्स आते हैं पेपर में, अलग अलग टाइम पे आते हैं एंड मे बी वो तुमको देख रहे होंगे एंड दे आर रियलाइजिंग कि अरे ये बंदा सब या बंदी सब अच्छे से कर रही है. तो आई थिंक if you are able to keep your calm, if you're able to hold your emotions together during the paper, then you will be able to crack CAT. And now coming to my last strategy. If you are not taking any tuitions, if you're not going to any coaching classes, तो तुम अपने doubts कैसे solve करोगे? So this is something which I did. I made my account on Telegram. I joined Pagal Guy and I joined a few Facebook groups which are centered on CAT and other exams. So these groups are run by aspirants only, and then there are some previous IM call holders who are there guiding all these students to do on their own. So I would get a lot of help whenever I would put a screenshot of my question, a problem that I'm stuck at in these groups, and help would always come. So I say a big credit for my cracking CAT would go to all these self-help groups run by aspirants like you and me who help each other in this journey. So these were all the strategies that I followed in my journey and I was able to score 93 percentile in CAT, 99.1 percentile in SNAP and also the minimum cutoff for NMAT. So if you found this video useful, if you find any of my strategies useful, tell me about that in the comment section. If you want me to make more such videos, like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends who can also benefit from my tips. All the best for your preparation and we can do it. It doesn't matter 90 days are left, 80 days are left, 70 days are left. If you have the faith in yourself, you can do it.